Okay, guys, I'm back with another video, but this time, instead of a typical uh, programming type, technical type video, I was thinking to start a different kind of video to show you how you can use AI for day-to-day, tasks in the office. Because I found out although there's many people giving tips on how to use AI in this manner, but there's no detailed type of step by step. So I was thinking that I might as well just do it. Right. So for today, I'm just going to show how you can use AI to basically create reports on your meetings. Um, so in this scenario, uh, let's just say that you have a meeting and then your superior emailed you saying give me the details, something like that. So remember, there are two things that you will need if you want to use AI and get great results. The number one is you need as many contacts to feed to the AI, and you better use a persona as well, because it's basically focus the AI on how to assist you in that particular task. Right. So in this scenario, what are the contexts? The context should be the whiteboard scribblings or whatever that you guys during the meeting write on the whiteboard, and also your meetings note that you scribble on your notepad, on your notebook, right? And also any related documents that you might want to feed to the AI as well, as an additional context, right? So, and what is the persona? Again, the persona is the AI persona for the AI to take on to basically be hyper focused to assist you in that particular task. So I will show you how to create persona instead of actually for using the typical methods of most people say act like this or act like that. You actually can get a better persona just by describing to the AI what kind of persona that you want AI to create for you instead, right? So I will show it later. So the step by step for this particular tutorial is first, run the meeting, have the meeting, and don't forget to snapshot all the whiteboard scribblings, and then also don't forget to jot down important details in your notebook, and then take the pictures of all this, the whiteboard scribblings, and also your notebook notes, and put it all in one folder. And then second, upload all this to an AI UI app like ChatGPT or AI Studio or Gemini, whatever AI UI app that you're familiar with. Then create the AI persona and then use it or apply it. And then if there's any additional document, upload it as well. And then start prompting the AI. I will show you later. And then review the output of AI, and then do or request the AI to make adjustment if there's any. Okay, so in this scenario, I can't really show the real meetings that I had in the office. So I just create using ChatGPT the images that I'm going to use in this scenario. So I have the whiteboard uh, scribblings created by AI lah, basically. Right, let me show. So just like just for example, so this could be the 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 scribblings on the whiteboard that you had in that meeting. And then let's say this is the notes you have in your notebook while having the meeting, right? So these two will be your context in this AI scenario. And then this is the email, or basically it's a fake email, but this could be an example email that you get from your superior, for example, on how he or she needs the, yeah, yeah, your report to have what kind of details in it, right? Okay, so these are the contexts, right? So let me show you how I run this. So I'm using AI Studio from Google. So I'm going to start a chat. Right. So now the first thing, if you remember, the first thing we need is a AI persona. I mean, not the first thing, but no, number four. After all that context that you have collected, and then you need an AI persona, right? So start with that. So I'll just give you an example of a prompt to for the AI to create the persona for me. So let's just say, please create a perfect AI persona that assists me in drafting a meeting report for my boss, for my superior, right? Just for a little bit of detail, I say, this persona should be meticulous in the report, but very concise. So I don't want it to ramble so long in the draft. So very concise, so that it's easy for to consume by a less technical person, because my superior might not be that technical. So technically, we don't want to write anything too technical in the draft, but without losing any important details. So this is basically my additional context lah, for the AI to create the persona. And then I want the output to be in the markdown format. Markdown format vertically means, it's all going, line by line, because sometimes AI, when they do something, they will put it in the table. So table is hard for you to copy paste. So I said the markdown format vertically means, going downwards. So easy for me to copy paste into a template file. So let me just use this to create the persona. Right. So here we go. Run it. Okay, so after this, there are two ways for you to use the persona that AI created for you. One is actually to copy paste and create a new chat and then ask AI to use the persona. But I have a faster way because when the AI actually create the persona, I can just say, go and assume or take on this persona. So it will be easier. You don't have to copy paste or go into new chat or anything. So I just say, uh, unless if you want to edit. So let's just say I'm okay with this persona that the AI created for me. So I just say, go ahead and take on. So now go ahead and take on or assume this persona. And just to make sure that it actually has taken on or assume the persona, just say, and when you have done so, let me know so we can proceed. So just to make sure that the AI has now assumed that persona, so we can actually now upload our stuff and do and send in the actual query that we want. All right, so it says now they're ready. Okay, so it doesn't now they're ready. That now we can actually go ahead and feed the details of the meeting. So I'm gonna select the notes, the whiteboard, scribble, and the email. So just put it here, copy, and then now we can, let me have finished down uploading. Okay, so okay, so uh, please create or please draft me a meeting report based on the files I have loaded here, and this draft should comply also to the email sent by my superior. Okay, so I think the AI will know that the email is basically this email superior email .txt. Right. So I think this should it's all we need because now the AI has taken that persona and we have provided all this context. So if you run it, you should get the response according to what we need. Right. So while doing that, let me show the email again. Right. So in this scenario, my boss says the the Samantha, right? She needs an end-to-end process flow, functional requirements, technical solution, and also action items. So let's see if AI can pick that up and res- respond according to what she needs. Right. So understood. I've assumed the personal synapse. Synapse. Okay. That's kind of weird. Right. Oh, because I think they call it synapse. Yes, called synapse. Okay, right. So I have assumed the personal synapse, and based on the about diagram, the notebook entries, and the email, here's the meeting report draft. So there's a summary, and then the end-to-end process flow. So initiation, validation. I mean, don't look at the content because I asked AI to produce this, so this is basically not what I usually do when I create a login flow or login process flow. But again, this is not about the content; it's about the process of how you do this. Right. So I have the end-to-end process flow here, the key functional requirements, and it's not exactly as technical. So I think just typical superior or your boss can understand this and technical and architectural notes, so how things are being architected, and the action item by the team members. So security teams, this is their action items. The development teams, these are the action items, and UI UX and QA. You could ask to basically rewrite this and make the action item in the table if you like to, and you can reprompt this. Or you can just use this straight away lah, and copy this, make your adjustment, right? So uh, imagine that all these things, if you have to do it yourself manually. So normally for me, if I have to go through back the the images or the notes, then before I can draft the meeting report, normally it will take me at least 1 hour or so, probably up to 2 hours to go and review again. But now, if I use AI like this, then I could have this uh, draft meeting report be done in just minutes, because all the details are already in the draft created by the AI. And if I want to make some adjustment, I just go through line by line and make my adjustment and be done again in minutes. So basically, that's how you use AI. So this is one example of video of how you use AI, something that you can actually upgrade your efficiency in the office. And I'll continue to do more videos like this. So next, I think I'll probably do similar things, but probably use how to use the audio that you have in a meeting and do similar to this. So with that, I hope you enjoy the video and peace.